balloon and see what happens with hydrogen gas, okay?
Boom.
Oh my god!
Oh my. Oh my.
So right now there's no chemical change, okay, until I put the potassium in, which is very reactive on the periodic table.
Is it just potassium or is it potassium?
Potassium iodide.
Iodide.
So 1 and 7 make the rule of
8.
8. Good job.
Math is hard.
Okay, here we go.
You're big brain, dude. You know 8 plus 1 or 7 plus 1.
You don't even
Are we
know.
ready?
Yes, sir.
Whoa! Big fun.
There's
Can I
heat
touch
coming
it?
on. No, you can't touch it, but there is heat. And if you kind of
She's not gonna push you.
I won't. I'm not gonna.
Yeah, you're just gonna go.
So I will tell you
There we go.
that Mr. Richmond didn't get to eat lunch today. So while we're doing this demo, would it be a big deal if I like snacked on something just real quick?
No.
Because it's inappropriate to eat in front of you guys, right? Because we're not supposed to eat in the class.
Sorry.
Okay, so Ms. Richmond is unable to go through this class without eating. Is it okay? I know it's rude to eat in front of you guys. Is that gonna bother you guys?
No, we're
It's
not.
okay. Yes, it is.
Well,
It's not your fault if you're
can
starving.
you not?
Starved.
Carmen.
Yum!
Carmen, you just walked. You just missed
You
it.
just missed the entire thing. I missed it.
She ate the candle.
What does it taste like?
What
Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, it's your birthday.
Happy birthday, Carolyn.
Happy birthday, Gavin! Go Caps!
Happy birthday, Jordan.
Monday is Decades Day. 80s, rock on!
Tuesday is Twin Day. Dress up like your friend and look alike. Wednesday is Western Day.
Hey Wildcats, Thursday is your favorite sports team.
Halloween costume must be in school dress code.
Here are 3 safety tips to trick or treat during COVID-19. Step 1. Wear a mask. Step 2. You should always have a hand sanitizer to use. If you run out of this one, you should have another one to use. If you run out of both of those, then you should have another one to use. Step 3. Social distancing.
Whoa. Social distance, pumpkin.
No pumpkins or sanitizer were harmed in this film. Have a happy Halloween.
Me.
This itchy head. Stop!